Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Juice WRLD with collab Kid LAROI. Great. So let's go into Juice WRLD, and he released songs recently. We're gonna highlight a couple of them, and we're gonna start with Goodbye. Let's stay tuned here. More to come from Juice WRLD. Anyway, let's focus on Goodbye, and we have a melody that goes in the same way through the entire song based upon 3 different chords. We don't have to go over the chords actually, just to go right into the melody, because we're gonna play just the picking pattern style here. So let's start with this one. Capo on first, that's the best scenario. And we're gonna start with the A minor based melody. It goes like this. Okay, so I play open A string together with open high E, then first B, open high E, and first B. Okay, that's the A minor part. Then you're gonna play the same melody but now with the F bass note. That note you will find on the first fret E string. So you're gonna play the first fret E string together with the open high E, and then first B, and then open high E, and first B. That's the F part. So far we learned A minor and F. It goes. And then we have the C based pattern, and it goes like this. So that is to play the 3rd fret A string, that's the C note, together with open high E, then first B, then open high E, first B, open high E, and first B. And then we have this ending that goes. And that is to play open high E, and then you hammer on to get the 3rd E, and then you're gonna play an extra time on the 3rd E. So I play the open E, and then I hammer on, okay? I don't pick that first 3rd E, but I pick the last one, okay? So that's the F part. So together, one round goes like this. And that is what you're gonna play from the beginning till the very end. A very goodbye-ish song from Juice WRLD and Kid LAROI. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me here on Learning Guitar. If you love Juice WRLD, stay tuned for next. He will be back. Play tuned.